Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to reset my Instagram account password and it shows this link is invalid, and this message occurs while I try to access the password reset link. But I don't know why it shows this kind of message, because here I try to access this reset link once I got it. So anyway, if you have the same problem, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first method is just one more time you can resend that password reset link to your mobile number, and then I try to copy this link and open your Google Chrome browser. But this time you can open this Chrome as incognito mode. So now you can click to access this link. So I hope this method maybe works for some users, but if maybe again it shows that same error message, just follow this another method. So just go to that Instagram app login page. So here you can press this link, get help logging in, and then type your Instagram account link to mobile number or email ID, and this is for your choice. But here I try to put my mobile number and click to next. So now they send the one verification code to my mobile number. So I try to check it, and this is that code. So just copy it and go back to that Instagram login page. So here you can paste that copied code and click to next. So finally they find my Instagram account. So you can click to login. But friends, now this time you can see my Instagram account is ready to use. So now this time it does not show any other error notifications. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.